In this video, I will show you how to share a file with an external link in Bitrix24. First, log into your Bitrix24 account and you will then see your dashboard. On the left part of your screen is your menu list. At the top of the screen, click on the search button and type in Drive. A set of suggestions will appear. In this case, select My Drive. You will then be directed to your Bitrix24 Drive tab. And on the top left corner of that card, you will see a three-line icon appear. Click on it and a drop-down menu will show up. Then click on Share and select Copy External Link. You can now paste this link anywhere you wish, whether it's an email, chat, or document, to easily share your file with others outside your Bitrix24 workspace. And that's how to share a file with an external link in Bitrix24.